If your Epic Games Launcher is stuck, freezing, or just not opening correctly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix for the Epic Games Launcher running glitch, and the best part is that these steps are easy to follow even if you're not super technical. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll walk you through a couple of extra checks that can help get the launcher running normally again. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we want to close anything Epic related that might be stuck running in the background. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, click the Processes tab at the top. Now scroll through the list and look carefully for anything named Epic Games Launcher or Epic Web Helper. If you see either one, right-click it and select End Task. This forces the launcher to fully close, which can often fix issues where it looks like it's open but isn't responding properly. After ending those tasks, try reopening the Epic Games Launcher and see if the glitch is gone. If it still isn't working, don't worry, we've got another fix. Now we're going to change the launcher settings so it always opens with the right permissions. Find your Epic Games Launcher shortcut on the desktop, right-click it and choose Properties. In the window that opens, click the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This gives the launcher elevated access and can solve problems caused by permissions or background conflicts. Once that box is checked, click Apply, then click OK to save the change. After that, open the launcher again and test it. If it still has the running glitch, the next step is to repair the installation itself. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Control Panel, then open it from the results. Inside Control Panel, click Uninstall a program under the Programs section. This will show you a list of installed applications on your computer. Find Epic Games Launcher in the list. Right-click it and choose Repair. Let Windows complete the repair process and give it a few moments to finish. This can fix corrupted files or broken launcher components that may be causing the issue. Once the repair is done, restart the launcher and check whether it opens normally now. In many cases, one of these three methods will solve the problem: ending the stuck background tasks, running the launcher as administrator, or repairing the app installation. If the launcher is still acting up after that, it may be worth restarting your computer and trying again, because a simple reboot can clear out temporary glitches too. I hope this video helped you fix the Epic Games Launcher running glitch quickly and easily. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful gaming and PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.